I did to get an appraisal on the Jeep Wrangler. So as you guys may or may not know, I'm in the process of looking to get rid of some inventory.
I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish.
What is up, Innovation family? What's going on? Hope everybody's doing good. My name is Brandon from Innovation Property Atlanta, back for another video. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys have got plans lined up for this Labor Day weekend coming up, 3-day weekend. Still got cars available. If you guys are interested in renting some cars from me, DM me or hit me up in the comments section on YouTube or Instagram in the DMs. And as always, guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my station, and hit that notify button for new videos that drop out. So today's video, guys, is going to be on the process I did to get an appraisal on the Jeep Wrangler. So as you guys may or may not know, I'm in the process of looking to get rid of some inventory. Right now, I got about 22 cars or so in the fleet. So with the winter coming, and also I see traveling starting to slow down a little bit, and Turo's been really slow the last month and some change for me, as I probably had my worst month in August. So just to be transparent. So I'm starting to see signs to see the direction is starting to go in now. I kind of got a better idea of where we're headed the next few months. September hopefully should be a little bit better with Labor Day weekend and people being off of work. And some people might want to come down to Atlanta to travel, but we'll see. So today's video is going to be on, I went to Carmax to get an appraisal on the 2015 Jeep Wrangler, guys. So I want to take you guys through that journey, kind of follow the steps of how it works. I really don't like going to car dealerships and spending all day there, but really wasn't that bad. All in all, it took probably like about maybe an hour from the time I got in to the time I got the final appraisal. Excuse me. So when I got there, I got greeted at the front door by a greeter who pointed me in the direction to go to talk to an appraiser. So I went ahead, filled out the form, give him the year, make, model of the vehicle I'm doing, which again is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Has about 112,000 miles, give or take. And it's never been in an accident, still in pretty good condition. So, you know, it's one of those things where I think I can maybe get, my price I wanted to get maybe was about 24, 25. So I walked in, filled out the paperwork. They guided me to the seating area while they did the whole appraisal. And I probably had to wait maybe 30, 35 minutes for them to finish the appraisal. Guy came back out and got me, gave me the sheet with the appraisal amount on it, and it came back out to about 22,000, give or take. Well, no, actually it was 22,000 was the appraisal amount. So I wanted to be at 24, 25. So they're only about $2,000 or $3,000 away from where I want to be as far as, you know, getting rid of the vehicle. So I think I can be able to sell it in the third-party market, like via Craigslist or Auto Trader or eBay, and get 24, 25 for it. But if worst comes to worst, and I can drop it off at Carmax and get the 22. So this car, I owe about 21 on it, 22 on it. So it's right there. I would break even. Had it for about 3 years. So all in all, in a perfect world, I wanted to have the car paid off in a perfect world, because I had it for about 2.5 years, give or take. So it should have already been paid off. But this was one of the cars I had, taking my time getting it paid off. So overall, the CarMax experience is pretty good, not too bad. You know, for what was offered, I'm cool with that, because that can be a last resort. So it's good to know that you can just drop cars off and they'll give you a check, or send a check to the bank who you owe the rest of the money to. So you guys have any questions or feedback, that's the video on the CarMax process. Trying to keep these videos short. I know you guys I'm still building up my subs and building up my viewers, so I don't want to keep you guys, I don't want to, you know, bore you guys with long stories and keep these videos 10, 15 minutes. But that's the CarMax process. Takes about an hour, give or take. Walk in, wait, get the appraisal, and then they'll meet you with the form, giving you the appraisal price. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'll keep you guys posted on the Wrangler, let you guys know if I decide to go with CarMax or just sell it myself. Guys, have a good day. Appreciate it.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the track, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.